Korea Post's smart shipping system helps you to easily prepare for shipping an international mail item by entering necessary information in advance. To prepare for using the service, please make sure all the information about the sender, the recipient, and the contents are correct. Let's find out how to use it.
On the ePost website, click EMS International Mail tab, EMS International Mail Shipping Application tab,
and International Mail Smart Shipping tab. Both members and non-members can use the system. Read carefully the service guidance first, and choose the mail category. I'll choose the EMS service that offers price discounts.
For EMS, you can also choose the pickup service, and our mail carrier will visit you to pick up your mail items.
Click this pickup feature to use it, but please note that it will charge you the applicable surcharge. Before filling out the form, let me explain you several important points. Firstly, all the information should be in English. Once your item is dispatched, it is hard to request a change for item information or return. So, make sure all the information be correct.
Secondly, you need to check the special surcharge and the rate calculation method for international airmail items. Now, let's click the expected postage charge tab.
While you will confirm the actual charge at a post office, you can estimate it in advance, including the special surcharge, on the system with the data you entered.
Thirdly, let's move to the Country-Specific Requirements tab. On this page, you can enter the destination country of your item to check its specific requirements.
Now, let's try to ship an EMS item through the smart shipping system. I'll not choose the pickup service as I'll visit a post office to submit my item. I'll ship one package to Japan and another one to Vietnam, and both are non-documents. You should complete the form in the order of the sender information, the recipient information, and the customs declaration. Firstly, the sender information.
Click the Address Search tab and enter the address in Korean or the zip code. It would be automatically converted in English. Then, you should enter the name, the address, and the contact number. Secondly, the recipient information. Click the Search tab and choose your destination country.
If there is the zip code search, you can use this feature and enter the rest of the address. And then, you should enter the name, the address, and the contact number. Next, you should fill out the customs declaration form. Before starting, please note the guidance at the bottom. Especially, you should carefully read the guidance for the destination countries requiring the advanced customs data. The guidance includes the applicable country list, mandatory data fields, important notes. If you miss any mandatory data for those countries, your item could experience a delay in handling, or even return according to the regulations of the destination country. You may feel difficult first, but you will find it easy with our smart shipping system. Let me show you how to do it. For example, I want to send several goods in one box for non-commercial purpose. I choose non-documents and gifts as the category.
The data fields with red star mark are mandatory for the advanced electronic data, so you need to enter all the data fields with this mark.
Firstly, click the HS Code Search tab and enter the item category you want to send, and choose the category. Then, its HS code and the category name will be automatically completed. And enter other data fields, including the quantity, the net weight, the value, and the place of origin. And by clicking the Add an Item for Customs Declaration tab, you could add contents to your box. If you have more contents, just repeat this process. after adding all contents for the box destined to Japan. Click the Next to move. If you have no more box to add, could check the expected price and click the Apply to finish the process. If you have more boxes to send, just like my case, you should stay in this page to enter the sender information, the recipient information, and the customs declaration. Unlike the one to Japan, it does not offer the zip code search feature. In this case, you should enter the entire address line by line. Also, Vietnam is not a country requiring the advanced customs data. So, the mandatory data fields are different from those for Japan. You can find the red star marks only for the contents and the values. If you want to add items in the same box, you should choose the Add an Item. If you want to add a new box, then you should choose the Add a Box. Once you complete all the boxes and items, click the Apply button. Before finishing, just check the price payment fields.
As they are optional data, you don't need to enter in advance. You could make payments at a post office. Finally, if you click the Apply button, all the data you entered will be displayed. Here you can also find the barcode and the item number. When you give this number and boxes together at a post office,
your mail item are ready for dispatch. Thank you.